everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and if you like anything on this video, leave me a like on it, okay? So we're actually talking about a program that we work with to earn money online, and this is actually a phenomenal program for beginners. This is affiliate marketing based, and I teach people how to use this program to make money. I'm very successful with it. You can see right here, this is the income that I've generated over the past 30 days. Let me just refresh so you guys can see that this is real. It's probably going to pull it up as in the weekly or bi-weekly. Let me just go to the last 30 days right over here, and you can see this is what I've earned the last 30 days with this. And I actually teach people how to do this for themselves. That's what this that's what I do on this channel, and that's what this training is based on, how to make money with this same program that I'm using, right? You're actually in video 3 right now. So if this is your first time on my channel, just do me a favor, head back over to video 1, and you guys can watch that video so you get a better understanding of what we're doing. And then you guys, if you want to sign up, if you feel like it's something that you'd want to try, there'll be a link in the video description. The video description is just below the video. Feel free to open that up and click the link at the very top that says click here to get started, okay? Then you guys can jump in and then carry on with the training, but don't start on this video. Head back over to that video 1 and you guys can get started there, all right? So I'm going to jump into the training now. This is video 3, as I mentioned before. But obviously what we're going to be going over today is a little bit more. I'm going to add our second and final paid traffic method that I can show you guys how to just set and forget. I call it set it and forget it traffic. It's a traffic bundle that we just set up, and it'll actually start, it runs all year long, and it'll start sending leads to our links and actually start getting sales for us over time, right? So we're going to go through that a little bit today, but first we're just going to jump into this again and go through our mailing system, right? Because, and if you remember the mailing system, that's this system right here, the MLGS system where we went over the last couple videos. You remember we set it up, and I recommend on the MLGS, again, I'm going to just tell you right now, my recommendations, I use 5 of these accounts. I have 5 MLGS accounts. For any program that I work with, I use 5. So for this program in particular, I'm using 5 accounts to email with, and I use them every single day. I email with them every single day. And if you remember in the first video when I talked about daisy chaining these accounts, where you buy one account after the other, and you just use the affiliate link right here on each account and buy the next account with that affiliate link, right? I talked about it in the first video, so just keep in mind, if you guys cannot use 5 accounts, maybe you don't have the means to, try to at least go with 2 or 3 accounts, because they work really, really well as you start doubling up these leads, okay? We want to grow as many leads as we can with these. That's the point of using this, and it works really, really, really well over time and growing a ton of leads with it, right? Because the more leads we have, the more that we can email, and we want to be emailing them every single day to start getting that traffic coming into our business. But let's just jump right into it today. I don't want to make this too long of a video. I want you guys just to have a good understanding of what we're doing and be able to do this maybe yourself. But we're going to have a few more videos here left in this series to help you guys get started. But we do have an extra added step this time that we're going to be going over. So if you remember, to open up our our landing page here that we're sending people to, we're going to go right down here to where it says the all-in-one $25 business, of course, on our SAM cart. And we're going to go over here, click this link, and that's going to open up this page right here. You remember from the last video, this is the page that we used to build out our emails. We're going to be doing the same thing today. Again, I would request, what I would suggest, not request, I suggest that you would open up a Google Doc so that you can write subject and body for the email, so that you can build out the email like this. It makes it a little bit easier for adding it to MLGS, and that's going to help you guys out in the long run, all right? So let's jump into this and kind of just scroll down here. This is the one that we left off with the last video. We went over this. We used this for our subject on our body of our email. Let's look for something else here that we can do. This right here is going to be perfect. Actually, let's use this one. See, it doesn't really matter as long as it's something that's intriguing, right? We want to just be intriguing with our subject line. Something that people will look at and be like, huh, what do they mean by that, right? So right here you can see in our subject line it says skills to have unlimited income for life. Obviously that's kind of a clickbait title, but it does draw people's attention to it, right? It's something like they're going to be like, oh, okay, skills to have unlimited income for life. What's that all about? They're going to click into it, and if we can kind of keep the email somewhat short and have a link visible when they click in, that's going to do the best for us, okay? So what we're going to be looking for is something to add under there. Quick profits are nice. A yearly 100K. Let's just use this. We're going to copy this. We're going to go over here to our document. We're going to right-click, paste without formatting, of course. And now let's just clean it up a little bit. Read it. Quick profits are nice. A yearly 100K income that comes in whether you work or not, even better. But our overall goal is to make sure that you have the skills to create unlimited wealth for life doing anything that you love. Okay? That's going to be perfect. And actually I'm going to change this a little bit. Instead of but, I'm going to put our. And that's going to keep it nice and short. We're just going to carry on from there. We're going to say, click here to check it out. And then we're going to go and get our affiliate link. You remember it's right over here. We're going to go across from the all-in-one $25 business because that's the sales page we're using. And we are going to copy our link right here. Just click that button. It copies your link. We're going to head back over here to the document. We're going to paste in that link. Insert link. Paste it in. Hit apply. Now the link's ready to go. Now we're going to go down here and just put something like have a great day. Something like that, okay? So that's perfect. Let's just get this ready. Let's copy this. Actually, one more step that we should do is we should personalize this. So let's head over to our MLGS account and we're going to click on mailing system. We can scroll down right here and we'll just grab one of these personalizations. I like to use the first name. Some people use first and last name, but I think that sounds kind of tacky in my opinion. So I use the first name. And then we're going to just copy this subject line. We're going to head over here to our mailing system. I'm going to paste it in under subject. So if you remember, again, let's start at the top. Right here at the top of the mailing system, select all your leads. We do not have to touch this part right here that says mailing system or choose mailing type. We don't touch that. We also don't touch the send from. We want to leave that how it is. And we just want to be adding the subject line here, then scrolling down here to the body. I'm going to clean that out. We're going to grab the body of this email. Copy it, back over here, Control V, paste it in. We're going to click the perfect timing button and see, I already have one send here, but down here on the right hand side, right next to this, you're going to see a send button. Now I send mine every single day. I've been using it for a long time and it works so good, especially later on once you have like 20,000-30,000 leads. It's going to just be incredible. But just click the button that's right here. There'll be a little send button right down here. You'll see a little square send button like this. Just click that button and it'll send on its way. Okay, again, really easy to duplicate this, and by just right clicking, duplicating, and then adding it, or you can since you have it saved on the document like this, you can just go back and open up a new page and send the other 4 or 3 or whatever you guys are working with the MLGS, right? We want to try to get close to that 5 accounts as possible. So I would just suggest, at least 1 or 2, 3 if you can, for sure. And if you can get 5, that's going to work the best for you. But let's go ahead and jump into our final paid method. So we have one other method that I like to use, and it's actually my favorite method using alongside MLGS here. I use both of these myself, and this one is what I consider a set it and forget it traffic. I set it up, I let it run all year long, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Down in the video description, you're gonna see a link that says something about signing up for traffic for, set it and forget it traffic. And right here is where that link's gonna take you. It's gonna take you to this page. Just go ahead and click down here where it says click here to get started. When you do that, it's going to ask you to fill out some information. It's free. You can sign up for free. Just go ahead and fill that out. Next, you're going to go right up here to where it says log in. Or you might log in automatically after you fill out your information. Either way, that's going to take you to this login page, okay? Just give it a second to load. So when you're on this page here, you're going to click on this shopping cart right at the top here. That's going to take you to some traffic packages. Now, we don't want to use this package. We want to go over here. Well, you can use it if you want. That's for a heavy influx of leads. But suggesting maybe that you're on a budget or whatever, we want to go to the 12-month traffic right here. And this is the page that it's going to take you to, okay? Now, with this traffic, this gives you a guaranteed amount of clicks on your affiliate link. That's a guarantee. So and this is a quality product. Like I said, I use it myself. I have all my information you can see already in here saved because I use this myself and I use it for multiple products and it works very, very, very well. Okay. So what I suggest, the package that I suggest on here is either this titanium or the diamond package. Either one does really well, but if you can't afford it, they do have the gold package that gold platinum that works okay. I still would try to lean towards these when you can. Maybe if you get a few sales or whatever and try to bump it up here because these really work. But you got to keep in mind, this is a 12-month package, okay? So every single month, this is basically gonna bill you for that. Now, if you look at the other packages, let me see over here, you can see the price that they charge for these is quite high, but it's for a massive amount of leads. Now, you could go this route too if you really want to bump it up, but remember, this is just for 1 month, these big packages, and I like to set it and forget it, like I said before. And this is what this allows me to do. I can just buy one of these packages, enter it in. It's going to ask you for your website right here. See where it says enter your website URL? That is just this link that we use right here, right? It's this link, our $25 business link, the same link that we add to the emails. We're going to copy that. We're going to come over here to the page. We're going to paste it in. And we're going to go ahead and buy our traffic package, whichever one I want. Now, I already have one running for this, so I'm not going to buy another one right now. But you just click the button to buy it, enter your link, sign your name, and click submit your order. Well, enter your credit card information or whatnot, and then sign it and click submit order. And then you're good to go. So what that's going to be doing is that's going to actually start sending an influx of leads to your link, and these are people that are looking to purchase. This is quality traffic. This group that owns this business is just fantastic. They've been around for a long time. They very much care about the quality of the traffic they're providing. And what traffic is just people, right? It's interested people that they're sending to your link. People that are looking for what we're showing them, how to build a business. That's what this training is doing, is showing people, right? So that's what they're geared towards, and it works just extremely well. So feel free to set those up. Now, again, these are paid methods, okay? These are paid methods. We want to have them running, and we want to have them consistent. So the other key factor here is with this 12-month traffic, it's continually running. It never turns off. It's running all year long, okay? And those sales are going to start coming in. But that's going to be it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you guys have any questions, reach out in the comments. Feel free to leave me a like on this video if you like it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified when my next video drops. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you guys later.